You can't escape it. You can't escape the shrinking vector of microelectronics. Just a few years ago, the thinnest molded packages, thin BGAs, thin QFPs, and thin QFNs, set a new standard at 0.7 millimeters. Then along came bumped silicon at 0.4 to 0.5 millimeters thick. Now we are beginning to see both passive and active devices at 0.15 to 0.2 millimeters, and when it comes to tape and reel, it's a new game entirely. The challenges of taping a part this thin is not putting the part in the pocket, it's keeping it in the pocket. These thin parts will exploit the tiny air gaps between the top edge of the pocket and the cover tape and go on a walkabout. The outcome is devastating to the assembly line trying to pick up the components. What are the contributing factors? We'll review them here. First, bad machine setup. It's totally the responsibility of the operator to set up the machine so that the cover tape lies flat on the carrier tape with no bubbles or ridge. Next, carrier tape pocket dimensions. If the pocket is too large, it can allow the part to tilt, which then leads to a breach. Finally, the carrier tape profile. As much as we love the availability of polystyrene carrier tape, there is no doubt among professional tapers that the relaxed profile of polystyrene leads to the parts escaping. Using 3M's latest tape and reel technologies, MPI has achieved excellent outcomes on recent projects. Beginning with the carrier tape, 3M engineers design a pocket with exceptionally tight tolerances provided by their Series 3000 Ultra Precision material. Features of an excellent design are sharp profiles, minimized corner radii, and a raised crossbar. These features all work together to maintain component placement. Next, the design is simulated for rotation and tilt by 3M's algorithms, and a part fit analysis is provided to the customer. Finally, a tooling order is placed, and in about 2 weeks, the first articles are ready for testing. We then match up the ideal cover tape for the job. When the dimensions permit, MPI chooses 3M 2681 Easy Peel Universal Cover Tape. It allows us to move the seal in close to the pocket's edge. It also provides the perfect peel force, about 20 grams. Finally, if needed, it is bakeable at 125 degrees Celsius, and so is the carrier tape. All this technology comes together to provide a good outcome for your project. Thank you for watching.